how to break a string over multiple lines with Ansible and in general with YAML language, I'm going to show you in a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Burton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about Ansible break a string over multiple lines. Basically, there are two different operators, the linear block scalar and the folded block scalar. Yeah. It's easy for me to show you the behavior in a small example. So let's jump it up to the example section. Let's assume we have two multi-line variables, variable 1 and variable 2. These are both multi-line variables, but the variable 1 uses the linear block scalar operator and the variable 2 uses the folded block scalar operator. The result of this is that the variable 1 remains multi-line, but the variable 2 is literally collapsed in a single line and substituted new lines with spaces. Please note that both variables has a new line at the end of a string. Do you want to remove the new line at the end of strings? Simply add a dash, a minus, after the pipe or measure operator. Demo time. Let's jump in a real-life Ansible playbook how to break a string over multiple lines. Are you ready? Let's have fun! Welcome to my editor. I will show you the literal and the block operator with a simple playbook. So, as usual, let's start with 3- as a YAML document, and let's start with name. That is the name of my play. So debug module demo, and that is going to target host, all of my inventory, and some variable. So variable 1, as we see in our example presentation, will be exactly as you see will appear this line is 3 lines of poetry. Yes. And what else? Variable 2. This time let me use a fold operator. This is really single line, really a single line of text. What else? Despite appearances. Damn it, I have a problem with English. So tasks, two tasks, name print variable 1. Here we go. That is going to use ansible.builtin.debug module and variable. Let's print a variable that is variable 1. So let me copy and paste to speed up a little bit. Oh, damn it, like this. I would like also one space and also here variable 2. And here we go. In a few lines of code, I'm able to show you the literal and the fold operator. Let's jump to the terminal to see the result. Welcome to my terminal. Now let's execute the multi-line folded and literal operator and let's see the result. So as usual, Ansible playbook. let me specify also the inventory with -e, so VirtualBox, virtual machine, demo, inventory, and drumroll is under print and multiline.yml. The execution is going to be super fast with only OK status, and we have the output of the two variables on the console. As you can see, variable 1 is a true multiline variable, as you can see from the new line at the end of each line, and the variable 2 is only a really long text with, yeah, sure, new line at the end. Do you want to remove? Let's jump back to the editor and remove a new line at the end. Let's go. Back on my editor, this time I would like to remove the new line at the end of the strings. So let me add the minus, the dash, whatever you will call it, to the fold and literal operator, and let's get back to the console. Yo! Back on my terminal, I would like to execute the same command as before, so arrow up and enter, and this time I'm expecting a different execution. As you can see, variable 1 and variable 2 doesn't have the new line in the end of the text. So yes, great accomplishment. So we did. What do you want? More example like this? Let's have fun. Wait a minute, I hear you. You were expecting variable 1 to be multi-line, like also in the console. This is a bit tricky, but you can accomplish using MSG, and then let's print the value of the variable 1, but we are going to access the method split, and here we go. Oh, let me use the escape. So basically I'm going to split the variable 1 by new line character, so it's going to be expanded as a list, and the message module is going to print magically multi-line. Do you want to see the terminal? Let's go. Again, back on my terminal, arrow up, enter to schedule another execution of the same playbook. And this time, as you expect, variable 1 is folded in a multi-line. Is it what you want? Great! Let's celebrate! Yay! Good job, Ansible. But this YAML jargon is a bit tricky, and now you have in your toolbox. Now you know how to use the Ansible fold and literal operators to break strings over multiple lines. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up or a dislike if you didn't like, write me a comment, and in general, keep in touch with me and see us on the next IT adventure of Ansible Pilot. Have a great day! This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.